Hi, today I'm going to show you how to load your 5-foot frame that comes with your QuiltMaker Pro 16. First, let's identify the parts that come with it. You will get 6 of these clamps that have handles on them. You will get one big long clamp, and you will get 2 different sizes of these C-clamps. The C-clamps we will use later for when you have already quilted a lot of your quilt and you are joining all of your 3 layers together so that it doesn't have a lot of bulk. So I'm going to put these to the side. Now, when it comes to loading your quilt onto your frame, you want to make sure that you have basted all of your layers together. I spray basted mine, but you can use any method that you prefer. Once you have done that, one other thing that you need to make sure of is that your backing is 6 inches bigger on all 4 sides. For example, if your quilt top is 70 by 90, your quilt backing should be 82 by 102. That way you have plenty of extra to be able to clamp your fabric around these bars. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my backing and bring it around to my back bar. And as evenly as I can put my fabric on here, I want to. And I'm going to put my first clamp down. I'm going to come over here to this side and put another clamp down. Okay. Come around the back here. I'm going to get right underneath my machine. And I'm going to put one more clamp right here on the back. Now notice that I do not have a clamp over here, so I'm going to take my big clamp and use it on this side of the front of my quilt, or the front of the frame, I should say. I'm then going to take one more clamp and put it in the front right here. And then I'm going to come over here to this side. I need to take this bar out of its little holder, bring my backing, put it back in its holder, and lock this in place so that it doesn't easily come out. And then I'm going to put one last clamp right here on this side. Now you want to make sure that your quilt is nice and level on this frame. If it's not, then you can unsnap and readjust, which I will do right here. It's a little lower on this side. Once you've ensured that, you want to take your machine and make sure that you can go all the way to the top of your quilt without hitting this back bar. And you also want to ensure that you are not going to hit the side of your frame and can get all the way to the outside edge of your quilt on either side of your frame. And that is how you load your frame.